Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get all characters in FNAF World. All right, let's begin. If you want to unlock all characters legitimately, the best method is using the FNAF World fandom guide. Open your browser and search for FNAF World fandom to access a complete list of characters and their unlock requirements. Once on the site, you will see every available character along with their locations and conditions. Select a character by clicking their name to view detailed instructions. For example, Jacko Chica can be found in the Halloween backstage, while other characters require completing specific minigames or challenges. Each character has unique requirements, such as achieving certain ranks or finishing tasks within a time limit. For instance, some characters unlock only if you complete a minigame with a lower rank, while others require specific performance conditions. Use the guide to track progress and plan your unlock path efficiently. This ensures you don't miss any hidden requirements and helps you collect every character. So that's basically how you can get all characters in FNAF World. That's it for this video. Thanks.